Hi there. Today we are going to discuss a usual issue of a scientist or engineer during everyday work performance. Any of you are familiar with physical or chemical problems and how important to find reliable properties of a substance. Unfortunately, there is a lack of quality materials or databases available on the internet for free. So today we will have a review of a NIST physical and chemical properties database. This site provides thermochemical, thermophysical, and ion energetics data compiled by NIST under the Standard Reference Data Program. This is the main page of our website. The link is attached in the description section. For example, we need a thermal properties of ethane. So here is step-by-step algorithm. Step 1. Scroll down a little bit and choose Name in search options. Step 2. Type ethane and choose desired units. For example, let us choose System International. Step 3. Select a desired type of data. We are going to choose a gas phase. Step 4. Click a search button. Step 5. Enjoy your data. Need to mention that data represented here has all possible references for published works. Some data has even an obsolete error values. You can choose and copy your data in the Excel file for further evaluation. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you around. As always.